Hey guys, so it's the 19th of August. We haven't vlogged in quite a while. We're actually getting ready to take Lucy over to Drover's swimming. She got groomed a few days ago, so she's quite happy about that. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference in her or not, but she's cleaned up pretty good. She's pretty excited there now. But Drover's is where I used to go swimming when I was living here as a teenager, and well, as a young teen or whatever. And Lucy really enjoys it over there. So we're gonna go over and see if there's anyone over there. If there is, we may not be able to take her out and let her run. But we're gonna see anyway. And the other dogs are in the house crying, but we can't take them all. Hey guys, so just a little update. It's the 27th of August right now. I haven't really been vlogging a lot because there's really haven't been anything to vlog about, so I just thought I'd give a little bit of an update. I'm just chilling on the couch here and actually waiting on Jeremy. We're going to go and pick up a our typical summer pet sitter, I guess. When we come here to Newfoundland, she's gonna watch the 5 pets tomorrow while we go to St. John's, because St. John's is 2.5 hours away, so it's not like we can come back home and let the pets out. But we're gonna pick her up this afternoon. Yesterday was beach day, so I'm gonna insert that footage right here. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me or not, but Selena's out there jumping through the waves. There's some little birds on the shore. I think the tide is starting to change because the water is coming in a little bit further than it was before. Looks like she's out a nice ways, but she's only up to her knees in the water, so she's all right out there. I'm not sure what this gunky orange foam is, though. That was a big one. The waves are starting to come in a little bit bigger now. So tomorrow we're going to St. John's, and we're gonna, you know, do our typical chapters and Michael's and all that stuff. So I'm going to be looking for a desk as well, but we're going to go to Michael's, and tonight I'm going to sit down. I'm entering myself in some craft fairs here this year. So I'm going to see what kind of things I can come up with to paint and to try to make some money for Christmas, I guess, and hopefully get a business number and everything registered here in the next 6 months or so, and kind of do like a... One thing I hate about living in a basement apartment is the noise of overhead. That hasn't changed. Selena was outside in the backyard. But anyway, I've registered myself for some craft fairs, so I need to get some things made for that. I have a few things that I can sell this year, like my coloring books and things like that. But next year I'm going to need a few more things other than that, so I'm going to work on that. But we went to, like I said, we went to the beach yesterday, as you just saw. And on the way home, we stopped in Gander, kind of do a loop around the island, a section of the island. And we ended up picking up a basketball and some tennis rackets. And we're going to try to play tennis. I don't know how that's going to be, but we're going to try anyway. Just try to get out and be a bit more active, so maybe this afternoon we'll give that a go. But we're going to register Selena for school, hopefully this afternoon. If not, it'll be on Wednesday, because tomorrow we're going to be in St. John's for the majority of the day. And that's pretty much all that's been happening. We're still trying to figure out the layout of everything here, how we want things set up, and, you know, trying to get ourselves organized. And we've been here for about 3 weeks now, and we're still not completely settled or anything yet, and we still have lots of boxes to unpack, and boxes we're not going to unpack. And one thing that I've been finding since I've been here, though, is that I really have no creative energy, I guess. And I started doing the sketchbook slam challenge, and I gave it up. I got on day 6 and I was 2 days behind, and I was getting overwhelmed with it, and I was getting angry, and it wasn't fun. So I said, you know what, maybe this is not the best time to do it. And so then I decided to pack it up, and maybe I'll you know, do it again at a later date. But right now it wasn't the best time for me to do it, so I just packed all that up. But hopefully, if I can find a new desk in St. John's tomorrow, which there's a few places in there I can look, Staples being one of them. And I think the Walmarts are a little bit bigger in St. John's than what they are in Gander, so hopefully I'll be able to find something in there and get myself set up a little bit better so I can actually get some things done, because I think that's one of my problems, is that I'm not happy with my setup. Another thing that's happened this week is that I got my hair all chopped off, and I lost maybe about 8 inches of my hair, because it was all bleached and burned and everything. But the lady that cut my hair did not cut it the way I want it, so I need to get it fixed. I had asked her not to cut it straight across my back, and she did. And I don't like that. I don't like that even hair look. I like it when it's all jagged on the edges. I don't know what that's called. But anyway, I've been rambling, and yeah, so we're going to go and probably get the day started in about maybe half an hour or so. And if anything is good to vlog, then I'll vlog it.